Thinking about trying Alpecin Grey Attack to deal with those first few gray hairs? Let's take a closer look at whether this product lives up to the hype. Alpecin Grey Attack is a caffeine shampoo that claims to darken your hair with daily use naturally. It's especially meant for people with light brown to black hair, and it's supposed to give you subtle, natural-looking results without the hassle of dyes. The application is simple. Massage it into your scalp, leave it for 2 to 5 minutes, and rinse. Do this daily for a few weeks, and you should see your hair getting darker and fuller. Some users report positive results. They've noticed their gray hairs fading gradually, and their hair looking thicker and healthier overall. A few even mentioned seeing a slight change after just one wash, which gave them hope. Others said that with continued use and following the instructions properly, they did notice a difference and were satisfied with the results. But on the flip side, a lot of people were disappointed. Several reviewers on Amazon said they used it exactly as directed, even extended the time it was left in, and still saw no change at all. For some, it was a complete waste of money. There are also concerns about the strong fragrance. Some users with sensitivity to scent found it overpowering and unpleasant, saying it lingered on their hair and skin long after rinsing. Another odd result someone noted was that on very white hair, it gave off a purplish tint, which wasn't quite the natural effect they were hoping for. Another important thing to mention, this shampoo is being sold across multiple websites, from big retailers like Amazon and eBay to a lot of sketchy-looking sites that popped up recently. These questionable sites often offer it at much lower prices, which is a red flag. If you're thinking of buying it, always go through reputable sellers to avoid scams or counterfeit versions. So, is Alpecin Grey Attack legit or a scam? The product itself isn't a scam. It just doesn't work for everyone. Results seem to vary a lot depending on your hair and how consistent you are. Just make sure to buy it from a trusted source if you decide to try it.